They for all y'all stupid ones though, you feel me? Y'all bitches is dumb as fuck. Like, fuck you writing, my nigga. You on Facebook writing all type of crazy, ridiculous shit. Like, niggas don't give a fuck about you, your pussy, your baby daddy, your baby mamas, whatever the fuck you got going on, you know what I'm saying? Take that shit and boof that shit right up in your booty hole, like, fuck it. Cause I don't give a motherfucker. I'ma do me, and that's what I like to do, you feel me? And I'ma keep doing that. Cause that's what I do, my nigga. You feel me? Yeah, man, you know what I'm talking about? Say what up to my cousin, man. He over there vibing out, chilling, fucking around with the, can you see him? Let me see. You see him? Feel me? Say what up to the cat, cuz.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit to all my haters out there. Keep hating, you know how it is. If you knew better, you do better, man. Switch your pitch, man. Stop, leave a nigga alone. Leave me alone. Cause I ain't fucking with you bum ass niggas, man. And tell your bitch get off my dick. Simple as that, man. You know how it is. You know? I don't fuck with you, I don't talk to you, I don't holler at you niggas. And when I see you niggas,